Welcome to the vlog, guys. Now before this video begins, I have the map here. I must point out something to you all before the vlog begins. Now this is the old zoo. These are all the different parts of the zoo, and I only got to experience this part in this vlog because my camera died. So I'll be going back to the zoo to give you the others, but enjoy the zoo for today. It's called the River Edge, and have a great vlog. Touch the like button from now, and I hope you all enjoy the vlog. Let's get straight to it. Okay, guys? Yeah. What's good, guys? About here, I'm out here at Forest Park right now, and I'm about to adventure the place and see what the place look basically. First time here, not really like to show my face much, because I'm showing you the beauty of the place and all that. I couldn't see the place look, honestly. But if people doing a vlog, because a long time I do a vlog, so just like the video and let's go. And for the yard people who never know, I'm not there Jamaica no more, and everybody who tune in just to experience Missouri, welcome to this vlog. This is for you all. And yeah, let's go for the vlog and see what the day has for us. Yep, hit the like button. Well, let's go. We have some Lugosi. What's up, guys? Lift my girl. Don't move, innit? Don't move. Now come. Come here. Where you doing? The thing go on. Come on. Yeah, go. Ah. Gravy, man. Oh, I like the free red right there. The free red, yeah, I love it. I have a little bro right there. Know this, know that. Oh. This is too. That's a zoo entrance right there. Huh? Wow. Look at those. What mean, mommy? What that again? I don't remember the animal there. The octopus. I don't remember the animal there, yo. Check out the elephant, guys. Oh. Check it out. Good morning here there. Oh, maybe you want to chill, right? Maybe. The time. Hello. I'm getting way to go over there. You want to get me right there, man, Aiden? Tell Aiden, let me hold you. Well, I'll go through it. Where's that? No, no, I know it in. I am with it. Fun. Oh. Aiden, come, Aiden. Wow. Wow, guys, check it out. Go. Oh. Big fish, yo. Big fish are huge. Go. It was like a little cave, yo. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so dope, guys. Check it out, guys. Oh. It's called the Mississippi River, guys. No, guys, there's more to it.
You washing my hair?
Ooh.
Thank you.
Come on, Mace. We gotta get going.
Wow. This is looking good. Oh my god. It's cool. Why is a wetland like a... Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, fishes are in there. Oh my god, dope. Desley Waterfalls. Check it out. What's here? Focus. So the Robert, okay, Williams, Sunbear Forest. See it?
I ain't never come to this part over here.
Oh shit. Oh. You wanna go in the water? You see the bear? It's cool, it's dope. What's he doing though? What's he doing? Wow. Come bro, let's go in man. Come eat it. Come on.
Come on, Daddy. Come on.
Go, next day we'll come in and explore more. This is just a quick run around of the park. Come back, we're gonna have full tour. You understand? It's a quick run around.
Oh, I had you.
Why? Buddha. We have Buddha. Gods. Elephant gods. You don't see elephant gods? Yeah, I laugh. But you see in the cage. What did you say? See, tell them the elephant gods, you know. Asian elephant.
Come Aiden. Come Aiden.
Focus.
Come.
See, Aiden, should say Aiden, run! Brave. So, elephant there, Aiden.
Come Aiden. There is elephant here.
General.
Come Aiden. Stay close to me.
Yeah, look. Please give me a look. Please give me a look. He might eat. Or feed himself. Big man. You not look lazy, man. Oh my gosh. You not look lazy. Probably get a better view around here, sir. Oh, see, I see a better view around here, sir. I feel a star portray this, trust me.
No, don't hit him like that either.
Oh. Move, man, do it slowly. But take him time.
Come. Where we're going next?
You know where the track leads us. You remember your way out? You remember your way out? No. That's a no. Still got a real snake right there, Aiden. Eggs and all. Check it out. The train up here, sir?
Yeah, the train is coming.
And the track not come down?
Train is coming down.
Stop.
Train is coming down.
So why them it take so long to carry it down? Yeah. Woo. Next time I'm going under for sure. I'm going under for sure next time, guys. For sure. What's this? What's that?
Hey, I'm sure you don't like a bear cage.
Yeah, that style look like a big ant's nest. What is that? Dwarf. See there?
What?
Mongoose. That's what you say in here, dwarf.
Dwarf mongoose.
Dwarf mongoose right there.
See him there going there. See there?
Where?
It's on the ground. It's on the ground. It's going around. I don't know if it's
Small?
a baby. I don't know if it's a baby one or that. It's going around.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's a little teeny man. It's a dwarf mongoose. What's good, guys? The boy here. No, no, my camera died, as you can see. I didn't get the video much. I was just about to show you guys the cheetah that's training again, but apparently my camera died, so just let me know. Let me know if you guys want to go back, so push the like button and comment something nice. You understand? And I will see you in another 2 days, okay?